This is the ETSC 150 Eccentric Sander, and this is a really exciting sander because it's packed full of some state-of-the-art features. It's a really high-performance sander. It's got a no-load speed of between 6,000 and 10,000 orbits per minute, and with the 3.5mm orbit diameter, you're going to get extra coverage when you're doing your work. It does have a variable speed control, which means no matter what surface you're working on, you can adjust it to make sure you're getting exactly the finish that you need to be getting. And it comes with an LED ring light, which is the first of its kind, which means when you're putting it up against a wall, you turn this ring light on, you can see all the defects that you wouldn't be able to see just using the naked eye. Festool are the masters of dust extraction. With this tool, it's no different. You're going to see nearly 100% dust extraction when this is paired with a compatible extractor. That's because this has got an inbuilt multi-Jetstream 2 turbo dust extraction system. So whether you're refinishing a dining table, prepping some wooden flooring, or just doing some decorating, look no further than this sander. The Festool ETSC 150 Eccentric Sander is available now at its.co.uk.